Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. Been asked a question by Farouk of Banbury. He's just moved into his first house. He's taken the door off because he was dragging on the carpet, but now he's having trouble putting it back on the frame because he's got no one else to help him lift it up. So he's asked what products we would recommend. Hi Farouk, thanks for the question. This is the Amtech 3-piece inflatable air wedge set, stock code J1820. It's what I use whenever I have to lift a door. Each bag can lift up to 135 kilograms or 298 pounds. They have a super slim profile and inflate from 2mm to 75mm. And in the box you get 3 different sizes. This is the 16.5 by 16.5 size. You also get the 19.5 by 11.5 size. And finally the 27 by 13.3 centimeters size. Each wedge has a high pressure seam welded inflation bag. First stage is putting down the inflatable air wedge so that the door can sit comfortably on them. Place the door on both air pads, ensuring that one is closer to the front and one's closer to the back. Line the hinges up so they're in line and then start pumping up the air pads to raise the door. Once the door's at the right height so it can slot back into the holes, you can re-screw and finally release the pressure from the wedges. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.